Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the top-down analysis in all the indices from Bank Nifty, Nifty and FinNifty as well. Now looking over here, this is Bank Nifty and monthly time frame. Now we'll be looking over here. Bank Nifty has given a very good retest at this support level. Let me mark you the support. This was about support level. At here, Bank Nifty taken a very good support and started moving upside from this level. Now we are reaching to all-time high over here. Now what will be our next plan and everything we'll be discussing now. Now look at over here. We are having a very strong resistance of ATH, which is at 44,151.8. Previously, we have tested that ATH not exactly, but only 10 paisa below, which is 44,151.7 only. So if tomorrow markets open a very good gap up, according to the global indices, we are looking that market is having a very good opportunity to open a gap up. If it opens a gap up and sustain over there, then we'll plan a aggressive buying side. Or else, if it opens gap up and drastically it falls below its ATH, then there is a very good scenario of getting rejection from ATH, and we will see to testing this support again in coming days. Not exactly within a week or two, it will take some halt over there and can fall further below. So what we can do is if it opens gap up and sustain over there, then we can plan buying side, or else if it opens gap up and falls below its ATH means all-time high, then we'll go for selling side opportunities as well. Now looking at over here in monthly time frame itself, Bank Nifty is still in uptrend only. So we have to be very careful while we are going for selling side. Now moving to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we can observe one thing is market has been in this channel for few days. Let me mark the channel. Market is in this channel for few days. After that, it has given a breakout to this level. Let me mark that level as well. You can see over here, market when it crossed its lower high, then shooted upside aggressively. Now it is halting at its all-time high level only. So what we can do is, as it has given a very good halt for 2 weeks, now it is giving a scenario that buyers are in still power. They haven't lost their power. They are not giving their power to sellers to go downside, but they are holding the same level and they are halting at resistance only. That means they are showing that Bank Nifty is having more strength to move upside rather than going downside. So if it halts over here and giving any good breakout to this level, then we can plan for moving upside again. Now, in Bank Nifty on weekly time frame also, we can see that Bank Nifty is in still uptrend only. So we don't plan aggressive selling side until and unless if it breaks this low. Now we can consider a up move, a small pullback, up move, small pullback, up move, a small pullback here also. But we may get some fake breakdowns over here. As previously we have seen, I will show the fake breakdown in lower time frame as well. Now, if it crosses this level also, then we can plan for selling side trade little bit, not aggressively, which is 43,300 level. If Bank Nifty goes below 43,300 level, then we can plan a small selling side trade till 43,000 level also, but not aggressively. For going aggressively, we need to wait a breakdown till 42,560 level. After that only we can get a good confirmation that Bank Nifty is turning into bearish on weekly time frame itself. Then we can plan a trade till 40,000 also. So this is the plan in weekly time frame. Let's move on daily time frame. On daily time frame, we can see a very good opportunity for buying side only, not for selling side. Let me mark the zone once. See, Bank Nifty is completely in this zone from past few days. Let me show you how many days it is. For almost 10 days. It's been in this range for 10 days. Now it is showing an opportunity to move upside only. Now you can observe one more thing over here, right? Previously, we have marked this one as support level. I have given a plan on expiry trade on our Instagram. If you need to watch those expiry reels as well, you can check in the description. We have given the links for my Telegram channel as well, for my Instagram channel as well. You can reach us there, and I have given our mail ID also. If you have any particular concerns over your trading, then you can reach us. It was a good support area over here. But what happened? It has went below this level, and from here aggressively started to move upside. On expiry day itself, it showed a fake breakdown over here, then started to move upside and it reached again its near to all-time high. So these fake breakdowns will happen in many scenarios to trap either buyers or sellers. So we need to be very careful while going for a very good trades. Now this is a scenario on daily time frame. If on daily time frame, if it crosses this level and sustain above this level, then we can plan for buying side. Or else if it opens gap up over here, Then if it making a very good huge red candle, then we can plan for selling side trade till this support again. Okay. Now moving to hourly time frame to plan our small swing trades as well as intraday trades. Now same thing is happening over here, and hourly time frame also, let me mark the support levels. This is our exact support area where we can start to buy again if it falls to this level, and we are having a very good resistance area of this level. I've already marked with yellow line, but again I'm marking with the channel over here. Now look at over here. If market opens gap up, then we will wait for small retest to this level. Then again from here we can go for buying side, because market has taken a very good resistance over all these levels. These levels are acting as a very good seller points. Let me mark those. These levels are very good points for sellers, right? But looking at the global scenario, market is showing a gap up opening. If it is opening gap up and sustaining over this level, that means all the sellers who have been selling at this level, they will get trapped and they will start booking their profits over here. When they start booking their profits, there will be two dual buying pressure over there. As per the gap up opening, many buyers will involve. Again, as the sellers are booking their losses, they will be turning into the buyers. That means a huge buying pressure will be seen over here. A shoot up can possible at this level. I'm not saying that exactly this will happen. I'm saying in the probabilities. So you have to think in probabilities while coming into the trades. Okay. Now we are moving to 15 minutes time frame to plan our Monday trade. Look at over here. We are having this zone. The same thing we are again planning. If it is opening gap up, we will wait for sustainability over here. If it is showing any sustainability and halt over here, then again we'll plan for moving upside. Or else if it is falling below, then wait for small retest. At this retest, we can enter. Our next target will be at 43,400 level. This is the scenario of Bank Nifty from monthly timeframes to intraday timeframe to plan all our trades in coming days. Let's move to Nifty once. This is Nifty on monthly time frame. Nifty also, you can observe that Nifty is also reaching its all-time high aggressively. This is its all-time high. Let's mark the all-time high. If Bank Nifty is crossing this level, then we can see some more upside momentum. We may reach 20,000 also in coming days, not exactly within 2 or 3 weeks. It will take some more time. You can look at over here. It has given a very good bullish rally, right? After that, it completely went into sideways for almost 2 years. Let me show you the range once. From here onwards, it completely in sideways range for 578 days. That means near to 2 years, you can consider. Now, if it is giving breakout to this range, then there is a high probability that the same scenario may happen. Consider from here to here, it is 10,000 points, right? If I reflect this 10,000 points upside, then same thing may recur. Let me show you 28,000 level as well, right? This thing will happen if it is giving breakout and sustaining over there. We can plan a very good buying side scenario, and we will slowly building up our positions over there, and we can achieve our targets. Or else, if it is giving any fake breakout scenario over here, opening over here and getting a very good rejection and falling back below this region, then we can plan for selling side trade till this support area. Let me mark all those support areas and resistance levels for our future concern. This was our rejection area previously. It has taken a very good rejection. Now it has moving upside from here. Let me show you one more thing. If I mark a trend line at this level, see, it has been taking rejection all the time, right? Now it has taken a retest to this level, retest on this trend line and moving back to upside. That means market is in still uptrend, given a very good breakout, a retest, moving upside again. This is a healthy breakout and retest scenarios when we consider a uptrend scenario. Moving to weekly time frame. Now in weekly time frame also, when we observe on the trend is still upside. If you mark this retest scenario, given a breakout to this level and sustaining over here. Our lower high was 17,776.35. It has given a breakout to this level and sustaining over here. Now this retest channel, or we can say this as a pullback, it has been completed and moving in the uptrend again. Now if it cross this level, which is all-time high, and sustain above this level in coming days, then we can plan a very good upside trades in coming days as well. This is a hypothetical scenario as of now. If it is opening gap up and closing below this level, then we can go for selling side. If it is opening gap up and sustaining here only, then we can go for buying side. Two scenarios are there. So what we have to do, we have to wait and watch for at least 1 or 2 days to get a proper scenario whether this breakout is sustaining or not. Then only we can plan for a good trades. Okay. Now moving to daily time frame. On daily time frame, Nifty has also given a very good halt over here, complete a halt. After that, it has given a breakout to this one already. Now it is moving to all-time high. We can plan a trade till all-time high easily in coming week or coming month as well. Moving to hourly time frame to plan our swing trades, right? Now look at over here. Let me mark you the zones. This was our resistance zone. It has given a breakout and sustained over there. Now if it started to move upside, then we can plan much trades. Let me mark you the trend line also for support region. This was our support. If it moves at this level, we can see this range as well. Pull back into the zone, small retest to this trend line, moving upside aggressively. We can plan this trade as well, or else if it is showing any breakdown scenario at this level, going to downside to this zone and small retest, then we can plan a trade till this trend line over here itself. And again, market may go for halt for a few days in this zone, then breakout, boom, for upside. So this is the scenario of making the trades either for buying side or selling side for swing trade in Nifty based on hourly time frame. Let's move to intraday time frame of 15 minutes. We'll plan there. In 15 minutes also for Monday, if it opens gap up, consider we are opening a very good gap up of almost at this level, 18,700 to 18,650 level. Then just wait for small pullback to the previous day's high. Then here we can plan upside trade. Or else if it is moving slowly upside over here only, then wait for small pullbacks in lower time frame. We can consider 5 minutes also. In 5 minutes, if you see small pullbacks and moving upside, then you can initiate your positions with less quantities, not more quantities, as the buyers are in still profit. They may start booking their profits. At the time, you may hit your stop loss. So what you can do is, well, it is moving upside, go with less quantities and we can go for upside rally as well. Or else if it is coming to the previous day's high and giving any good opportunity for buying side, then we can go for buying side trade over here. Okay, this is the plan in Nifty from weekly time frame, I mean from monthly onwards, our intraday time frame as well. Now moving to FinNifty, this is FinNifty on monthly time frame. FinNifty is almost near to its all-time high. Let me mark the all-time high level again over here. This is the all-time high in FinNifty, and let me mark you one more scenario over here, a trend line. A very good trend line retest is also happening to this level. Let me show you. From here, boost up, fall, then again it is halting at the resistance only. If you take rejection, consider if it is taking rejection, then you can wait till this trend line. From here, it may move upside. This thing will happen if it is getting rejection from its all-time high. Consider if it is opening a gap up based on the global scenarios. If it is opening gap up and sustaining over here at this level only, then we can build buying side position till 22,000 as well. So plan your trades based on the sustainability first, because we are near to very major resistance in all the indices, in Bank Nifty, Nifty, and in FinNifty also. If it is halting or giving any good sustainability, then you can plan for buying side trades. Or if it is giving fake breakouts at the all-time high, then you can initiate small selling side positions till next support areas. Let's move to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame also, we can see that FinNifty is still in uptrend. Let me mark the channel for which it has given breakdown. See, this was the channel. In FinNifty, it has given a breakout and it is sustaining near its resistance area. From past 3 weeks, it is at this resistance area only. Almost consider as a 4 weeks, it is in this resistance area only. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can see that market is at the resistance level, and we are having one more scenario, rejection area from where the Nifty is taking rejections. Consider if it is crossing this rejection area over here, then we can plan small trade till this level. If it is sustaining over there, then we can plan a trade till all-time high also for coming days. On hourly time frame also, we can plan the same trade. This is our trend line. If it is crossing this trend line, our first target will be this level, or else if it is opening gap and holding at this level, then we can plan upside trade in the swing manner also. Or else if it is opening gap up and crossing this rejection level and giving a small retest at this level, we can enter at this level with the target of previous day's high. Because the market is converted into an uptrend and it is given a very good halt, we can't consider that market is turned into bearish. So we have to be very careful while we are going for taking any bearish side trades while we are considering upon the higher time frames. Okay. Now moving to 15 minutes time frame to plan our normal trades. This is on 15 minutes. Same thing will happen. If it is opening gap up, then wait for small retest to this level and we can build a position to this resistance as well. Or else if it is crossing this resistance, wait for small retest again over here. At this level, you can building your buying side position can move upside. If it is sustaining over these resistance level, then we can plan for ATH easily in FinNifty also. I hope you got the points in all the indices from monthly time frame to intraday time frame in Bank Nifty, Nifty, and FinNifty. If you have any doubts, you can let us know in the comments. We'll be clearing all your doubts in the comments itself, or else we'll be making a separate video based on your doubts also. I hope you like the content. Click on the like button and subscribe to our channel to provide you with more knowledge on trading along with the personal finance as well. Thank you.